Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get a scientific calculator that sorts up the exact equations in Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as AlexCal, and on the first list you will see the application. Just click on it. Now just click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now you can see the user interface of the software, right? And below you will see all the input keys to insert the different values. So you can just click on this invert. If you want to get the inverse keys, then you can just use this invert, and you can click on it again to restore it back. Then you can change the degree to radian or degree. Then you can click on this alt to alternate. You can get a theta value, angle value. If you click on this alt again, then it will show you like pi key, everything. So here you can see exponential values. So let us try. Let me click on this log 10. Now you can see the exact indication here on the above. Now let me put the value 10 here, 1 0, and let me close the pause bracket. And now let me click on this enter. Now you can see here it's showing the exact equation which I am typing here using this AlexCal scientific calculator. So now if you want to clear this equations, then just click on this alt. Now you can see here clear screen. Just click on it. Now it will clear everything here. Now let us try some more equations like square root of. Now let me type 49 and let me close the pause bracket. And now let me hit enter. Now you can see. So by using this application named as AlexCal, you can easily get a scientific calculator that shows up the exact equations in Android smartphone or tablet very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.